Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to plan a music tour using Notion, your go-to tool for managing projects. First up, create a new page in Notion. This will serve as your central hub for planning your tour. What's great about this is that it allows you to keep all your tour-related information in one readily accessible place. Next, we're going to set up a table to keep track of your tour dates. This is a crucial step because it allows you to visualize your tour schedule at a glance and easily make adjustments as needed. Once you've created your table, you'll want to add columns for venue, city, date, and time. You may also want to add a column for any additional details, like sound check times or meet and greet opportunities. This helps us because it ensures that no important details get overlooked in the planning process. Now that we've done that, it's time to add your tour dates to the table. Start with your first date and continue adding until all your dates are included. The reason we do this is to establish a clear timeline for your tour, which is essential for successful planning and execution. But we're not done yet. We also want to create a to-do list for each tour stop. This will include everything from booking hotels and transportation to coordinating with venue staff. This is important because it ensures you stay organized and on top of all the necessary tasks for each stop on your tour. Now let me explain why this matters. By laying out all these details in Notion, you're creating a comprehensive plan for your tour that's easy to manage and update. And the best part, you can share this Notion page with your team, allowing everyone to stay in sync and on the same page. To wrap things up, planning a music tour in Notion is as simple as creating a new page, setting up a table for your tour dates, and adding to-do lists for each stop. With everything in one place, you'll be able to stay organized and ensure a successful tour. And that's it. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, planning may be tedious, but with Notion, it can be a breeze. So save yourself some stress and start planning your 2025 music tour in Notion.